There are discoveries in astronomy that inspire awe. Nebulae glowing in brilliant colors, newborn stars igniting in distant galaxies, cosmic landscapes that remind us of the staggering scale and beauty of the universe. And then there are discoveries that do the opposite, moments that pierce our sense of security, reminding us that space is not just magnificent, but unpredictable, hostile, and profoundly mysterious. This is one of those moments. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful observatory, has recently captured something racing toward our solar system from the dark beyond the heliopause. This is no ordinary asteroid from the main belt, nor a comet berthed in the frozen outskirts of the Oort Cloud. This is an interstellar traveler, an object that has journeyed unfathomable distances across the cold, silent void between stars. And for the first time, Webb has revealed its details with startling clarity. Scientists have named this visitor 3I Atlas. Its speed, size, and behavior are unlike anything previously observed. Moving at a staggering 58 km per second, nearly twice the speed of the last known interstellar object, Borisov, and far faster than Oumuamua, 3I Atlas is forcing astronomers to confront questions that border on the extraordinary. Its brightness is astonishing. Its structure defies expectations. Its age may stretch back billions of years, possibly predating our Sun. And its behavior is, in the truest sense, enigmatic. The story began quietly on July 1, when the Atlas Survey Telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, performed its routine scan of the night sky. Designed to detect near-Earth objects, Atlas had catalogued thousands of asteroids over the years. But on this night, it picked up a faint streak moving faster than anything typically seen, a hyperbolic orbit, unmistakably interstellar. Within hours, observatories around the globe confirmed the extraordinary. This was the third known interstellar object ever detected, following Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But unlike its predecessors, 3I Atlas was different. Not only was it faster, it was massive, its nucleus estimated at nearly 10 kilometers across, dwarfing previous interstellar visitors. Surrounding it was a halo of dust and gas, a coma, yet its brightness and stability suggested something unusual. Its rotation period is about 29 hours, yet the light curve remains astonishingly consistent, implying an unusually smooth, uniform surface for an object of this scale. While Borisov released plumes of gas and dust chaotically, 3I Atlas appears restrained, almost deliberate, radiating enough to maintain its halo but retaining its form. Its spectrum reveals chemical signatures redder than even D-type asteroids, hinting at exotic origins outside our solar system. To astronomers, this kind of order is deeply unsettling. Could this truly be natural? Or could it be something designed? If 3I Atlas is natural, it is also ancient, between 3 and 11 billion years old, potentially formed before our Sun existed. Its survival across billions of years of interstellar travel is almost incomprehensible. Cosmic radiation, micrometeoroid impacts, and the void's extremes should have fragmented it long ago. Its durability suggests an extraordinarily dense structure, hardened through cosmic processes, or, more provocatively, built to survive the journey intentionally. Some scientists suggest it may be a fragment of a destroyed planet, ejected violently into space. Others hint at something more unsettling, a construct, engineered to traverse the void and arrive precisely when and where it could be observed. The trajectory of 3I Atlas intensifies the mystery. Calculations show it will pass closest to the Sun on October 30, inside Mars' orbit, before heading back into interstellar space. Yet its path is unusually precise. Its course threads through gravitational influences with exacting precision, coming close enough for observation without posing danger. Some astronomers argue this is just celestial mechanics in action. Others quietly admit it looks like navigation, like a message designed to intersect with humanity's gaze at a moment when our technology could witness it. Was the James Webb Space Telescope fated to capture this object at exactly this moment? If so, the implications are staggering. Who, or what, sent it, and why? Even more perplexing are the energy patterns Webb has observed. Unlike comets, which release heat chaotically as sunlight vaporizes ice, 3I Atlas appears to regulate its thermal emissions. Infrared data reveals pulses of energy at rhythmic intervals, repeating in sequences that echo mathematical constants, including prime numbers and ratios resembling the Fibonacci sequence. Could this be a natural quirk? Statistically, the odds are vanishingly small. For some researchers, the pattern suggests something almost intentional, an embedded signal in the way the object interacts with light and heat. High-resolution imagery adds further intrigue. Unlike typical comets, jagged and irregular, 3I Atlas is smooth, angular in places, with flat surfaces reflecting light sharply, almost crystalline ly. Some segments hint at panel-like structures, suggesting an outer shell with defined geometry. Its rotation is stable, its surface uniform. Everything about it contradicts the randomness expected of natural objects shaped only by collisions and gravity. The evidence hints that this might not be a rock drifting aimlessly through space, but a construct engineered for durability and perhaps observation. As data accumulated, the global scientific community began to treat the discovery with unprecedented caution. Initially, information flowed freely. Researchers collaborated worldwide, sharing Webb images, ground-based observations, and spectroscopy. But as the unusual characteristics became undeniable, communication tightened. Briefings reportedly took place between space agencies, governments, and defense organizations. Discussions hinted at the object's signals being deliberate, with some raising the unsettling possibility that it could actively observe, respond, or interact. Public reassurances continued, but behind the scenes, urgency was rising. Elon Musk cryptically tweeted that, "The universe just got a lot more interesting," signaling that even private space companies were now enmeshed in the emerging mystery. Perhaps most unnerving of all is 3I Atlas's path after its solar encounter. Its hyperbolic trajectory subtly bends toward the outer solar system, possibly approaching Saturn or rendezvousing with hidden structures beyond the Kuiper belt. The possibility that this object is navigating intentionally has sparked endless debate. If its course is programmed, what awaits at its destination? A network of similar probes? A larger construct stationed at the solar system's edge? Or something else entirely, silently watching from the dark? 3I Atlas was supposed to be another fleeting visitor from the stars, a frozen relic crossing our solar system unnoticed. Instead, Webb has revealed a complex, luminous, and unnervingly ordered object. Bright, smooth, angular, emitting rhythmic pulses of energy, and moving with deliberate precision. The evidence points to one chilling possibility. It behaves not like a comet, but like a machine. If so, someone, or something, built it, sent it across the gulf of space, and allowed it to reach us. Whether it is here to observe, communicate, or test humanity remains unknown. Yet its silence speaks volumes, challenging us to consider the profound and unsettling reality: we may not be alone. If you want to follow every update, every Webb image, and every revelation about 3I Atlas, subscribe and turn on notifications. The next discovery might not only awe or terrify, it could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and our place within it.